Alright, so today we're gonna show the difference in resonance with inductively coupled system and then a tuned LC system like this schematic. So we're gonna pulse this coil and we're gonna set this coil on top of it, and that little light bulb's attached to the primary of these here, and the secondaries aren't really being used right now. This is just gonna show through mutual induction. So turn it on, we can see we got light. Best output's right around here, and we're putting 1.8 amps into the coil, so we're really driving the coil. And we can tune down, and there's no other really resonant spots out there. So now I'll use this schematic. Well, let's show this too. So when it is being driven, when this coil moves away, we lose it, right? So the energy now is, with this type of resonance, is we're driving the coil to produce an electromagnetic field around it, which interferes with this one at the same frequency, and thus we get power, right? Well, check this out. So now we're going to use this schematic here, and we got 12.7 nanofarads of capacitance here. It's like all my mica capacitors there. And we'll turn it on, and we got light, and we'll turn it down. We're at that big frequency, or the really high frequency to drive that. So we'll tune it down. We'll find that there's another resonant spot. So now we're down to 0.7. So now this is there's no inductive relation here at all. We lost our connection here. So no inductive relation, and now something I learned from Tesla's Colorado Springs notebook, he's really trying to get away from mutual induction, and I think this is why. So we got power, right? Here's a free system, and now we'll put it in inductive relation, and the light goes out. We're doing the same amperage. Move it away. Free system. We actually have a little bit lower amperage now. So I guess trying to get more energy out of a system with mutual induction is like trying to put energy out into the air and recover it. It's not gonna happen. But when you put energy into the ground via iron pipe, or just if it's grounded to earth, the resonance becomes conserved, and you can light up as many of these lights as you build receivers for. So now I'm only using 14 volts, about 13.8, and I'm putting that in here, and I'm getting it out over here, and I can have this coil as far away as I want, but as long as it's capacitively coupled and a ground connection, this coil will produce energy, and so will any other coil that's tuned to the same frequency as the driver. So I think this is where you get true over unity, is when you resonate the earth and you cohere the energy with separate, like, free resonant systems, which are coils that are exactly opposite phase. So I guess yeah, this is the two different types of resonance. And I'll just show that one more time. Inductive relation, no good. We get way better efficiencies like this, and we can multiply energy like this. This is applying the laws of music and sound to electricity. Energy is energy. Energy moves in many different ways, and transverse waves and causing electromagnetic radiation is losing all the energy you put into the system to the surrounding area. Putting it into the ground with resonance, the energy is conserved, and Tesla talked about this a lot, and for some reason no one really caught on. So I'm here showing you Tesla's technology applied to vortex coils. And thanks for watching.